Okay, this is quick safety on the planer. The planer is similar to the joiner in that it has a large round drum on top and has 4 blades that are turning. It's a 6-inch joiner. This is a 22-inch planer, so it's quite a bit bigger. This is the loudest machine in the shop, and you do need to wear earplugs while you're operating it. You also need to make sure that the dust collection is on so that I don't get chips jammed up in here and it binds the blades up. So to adjust the planer before we get started, I'll talk you through and then run a couple times because it's awfully loud. We can raise and lower the in-feed and out-feed tables using this crank on the side. The blades are on top this time, so the in-feed and out-feed table are at the same height. Inside of here, there are rollers on the front and rollers on the back. When I push this in here, the front roller is going to grab it, shove it by the blade, and then the back roller is going to pull it out. The blade on this one is on top, not on the bottom. So, as I mark it, mark the top. The way we're going to start it, I have feet per minute. I'm a hardwood, so I'm going to adjust it once it's on to 20 feet per minute. I'm going to dial this up until it just takes it. And once it takes it through, that becomes kind of my 0 point. After that, I'm going to do 1 turn for each pass, and that takes off a 1/16 of an inch. If I don't need a full 1/16 of an inch, don't do a full turn. You want a 32nd of an inch, do a half turn. It's that kind of thing. Please don't trust this scale. Just take your measurements and adjust off of that. And you can run several bores through here at the same time as long as they're all the same thickness. So, on off is this mushroom. Push that off. Turn it on. You don't want to stand in line here in case kickback were to happen. It would come flying out this way. We're going to stand to the side as we're running. I've never seen a planer kick back, but if it happens, I wouldn't want to be near it when it did. One pass at a time until I got to the thickness that I want. On a softwood like pine, you could probably take 1/8 of an inch off at once, but in our case with hardwoods, we're going to want to do just 1 pass at a time. You'll notice that at the end of that, kind of chomped it. If the grain's looking real funny, swirly, you can spin it around and find a direction that's cutting more smoothly. And then if it'll take a chomp out of the last or the first couple inches. It's called snipe. Everybody say snipe. You can reduce that by just adding a little bit on your board and then cut it off.